No gold is not in her. She's a
Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to add your own fonts to TypeKit to Photoshop using TypeKit from Adobe. So to get started, select your text, all of it. Well, you don't really need to select it yet. What's this? Oh, okay. Choose your text and come to the text selection box and press add fonts from TypeKit. Once you click that, it will open up this page, search fonts. So once you're here, you can choose any font you want, Adobe fonts. So let's say I want to put Gil Sans Nova into Photoshop or any other program from Adobe. So I'll click activate fonts, and it'll say font activation successful. So it'll come up with 33 fonts active and Gil Sans Nova. So if I go into Photoshop, select all my text, come up to here and click on this TypeKit icon, I will be able to see all my TypeKit fonts. So these are all the ones I've installed. So if I press Gil Sans Nova, the one I just installed, I can use it like anything I want, personal and commercial. So it's all free. Well, not free, you have to buy the subscription, which I have bought. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and have a good day. Bye.